G'day guys, Greg here. Now, it is a very exciting day today. KFC's got a brand new Zinger out. It's called the Zinger Crunch. So let's go and whip inside, grab one, and suss it out. See what it's like. Let's get one! Alright, well, here we go. The new KFC Zinger Crunch. Costs $7.95. Let's suss it out. Oh yeah, KFC, here I come, yum! Oh, let's hope it's good. Oh yeah, oh what the? Oh, I'm so excited. A new burger. Or sandwich, as we call it in America. Alright, well here we go. Gee, I tell you what, that is a pretty looking burger. Or as we call it in America.
That's a sandwich.
So we've got the beautiful bun of theirs, with sesame seeded. We've got this piece of zinger there. No sauce, I notice. But look at that zinger. We've got, looks like about 2 corn chips stuck on there. Corn chips, eh? Sweet. There's a slice of cheese. We've got some coleslaw there. And, well, there's supposed to be a jalapeno mayonnaise. I'm really hoping that this is the jalapeno mayonnaise. Or it's actually there. I would have thought they might have stuck it on the top bit. But let's just pray to our gods that this is the mayo, or else I'll be very disappointed. Yes. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. In fact, once I swallowed it, it really felt like it was tearing the inside of my throat out like a werewolf's fangs and claws ripping down my throat. Ooh, very good. All right, let's get some of this zinger into us, seeing if it's nice and spicy. Super crunchy. That little bit of zinger spice, but really juicy and really tasty. All right, come on, Grego. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Ah! Oh my god! That tastes alright actually. Oh, I got the corn chips in the end there. It was a little hard to find them over the piece of chicken, but eventually we got there. There seems to be a very nice warmth there from the zinger and the jalapeno sauce. It tastes really nice actually. I'm really enjoying it so far, but I sort of didn't really get the coleslaw that time. Let's go again. Got something in my eye. Probably an eyeball. Mate, I tell you what, that is pretty tasty. To be honest, I was like, I don't even know if I feel like KFC today. So I had to slap myself around the face a few times and say, Grego, it's KFC, mate. What are you talking about? But now that I've come in and tried this, oh boy, I'm really enjoying it. You can taste that crunch of the corn chips, of course. The coleslaw in there was really nice, and, well, the cheese adds some nice creaminess to it as well. That Zinger fillet really has got a taste and flavour about it. It's really nice. And, well, the jalapeno sauce on there, I wish there was maybe a little bit more, but what's there is good enough. It all combined in beautifully and made this burger taste really good. Well, I'm only 2 bites in, but I think I know by now what score it's going to get out of 10. $7.95 for this. Well, I mean, compared to anywhere else, they're going to charge you $15 nowadays. So I reckon that's pretty good. Flavour-wise, well, like I said, it's really nice. The zinger really goes in well with that cheese and coleslaw. The corn chips, there's only 2 of them, but I'm sort of glad there was, like, less than more. It sort of just added this nice little corny flavour about it. Corny. Kind of like my videos. The jalapeno sauce just added another layer of heat on there as well, and well, altogether I thought it tasted really good. So glad I came out to KFC for lunch today, I tell you. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, the Zinger Crunch burger, mate. This deserves... I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. This is really tasty. I'm really enjoying it. Value-wise, it's good as well. And it is a burger that I think I'd definitely come back and get another one of tomorrow. Especially if I hit the Terps tonight. Oh yeah! Anyway, there's the Zinger Crunch, mate. A really tasty burger.
It's called a sandwich.
I'm really enjoying it. And if you do decide to go and try one, when you're ordering at the counter, tell them Greg sent you. Mate, I know they're going to know because every time I go, they know. And when they know, I know. And if they don't know, then they're not worth knowing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat a burger.
It's called a sandwich.
See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.